Good morning and welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with another video. Today I will show you how to detail your car engine or car engine bay in a very easy way. Now there are a lot of arguments about engine detailing. Somebody will say it's not necessary, water is detrimental to your engine components. But let me tell you guys, modern engines have lot of plastic parts, rubber hoses, which require some sort of maintenance. Maintenance means as it grows older, it gets harder and brittle and it breaks. You see already these insulators have become brittle because the last guy haven't detailed the engine in his lifetime. So all you can see, all the engine insulators, all these have become brittle and they are very dirty. And if you keep a clean engine, the first advantage is that you can easily find out if any abnormality is there, whether there is a oil leak, where there is any leakage from the gasket side, or any abnormalities can be easily find out. And second is that it deters rats from coming inside your engine. Rats love dirty places. So before we start, my practice is I cover the alternator with the help of a plastic garbage bag, and I will clean that manually, and rest is as it is. Somebody also covers the battery also. You can disconnect the battery also, but in this case I am not going to disconnect the battery, but that is also a very good practice. इंजन जरूर डिटेल कीजिए, एक तो देखने में अच्छा लगता है और दूसरी बात है जो आपका जो रबर ये सब कंपोनेंट है वो सब अच्छा रहेगा, क्योंकि ये हार्ड हो जाता है पुराना होने से। लेकिन इंजन डिटेल करने से क्या होता है, हम लोग एक पॉलिश यूज़ करता है जो पॉलिश ये रबर और प्लास्टिक पार्ट्स को सही रखे। दिस टाइम आई विल यूज़ अ वाटर बेस्ड वॉश. Last all my engine detailings were without waterless wash, but this time I will be using a pressure washer since it's very dirty. You are using a pressure washer, normally you should throw the water from a distance, because you should not give the maximum pressure to your engine, as although all the electronic components or connectors have got water resistant gaskets, but still the car has become older. So in this case it's better to throw the water from a distance, so water related issues doesn't happen. So it's the best practice to throw the water from a distance. I have sprayed the entire car with water. Now my next job will be to apply engine degreaser. There are a lot of engine degreaser available in the market. I am using a specific engine degreaser. So this particular engine degreaser will agitate with the dirt and it will become easier. So I am using this particular engine degreaser. I will give you the links. There are several degreaser available in the market. They don't do any harm. Remember, never apply any diesel or kerosene to your engine. What will happen if you apply kerosene or diesel to your engine? Your rubber parts will deteriorate very fast because they will make the rubber and plastics hard. So never apply any. कभी भी केरोसिन और डीजल इंजन में स्प्रे मत कीजिए, क्योंकि उसमें आपको रबर पार्ट्स और हार्ड हो जाएगा और उसका लाइफ और कम हो जाएगा. तो अच्छा कोई इंजन डिग्रीज़र आप यूज़ कीजिए. अगर आप इंजन डिग्रीज़र मार्केट में आपको नहीं मिलता है, अमेज़न में तो ज़रूर मिलेगा और आप वो भी यूज़ कर सकते. घर में जो आपका भीम लिक्विड है उसको शैम्पू के साथ 50-50 रेशियो में डाइल्यूट करके भी आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं. आई विल वेट फॉर सम टाइम. नाउ आई विल अप्लाई विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ ब्रश to all the reachable areas. ওখানে অত বড়টা যাবে না, এই বাইরের গুলো বড়টা দিয়ে কর। দেখি আমার ওটা দাও। So the brushing part is over. Now I will wash the detergent residue. So the washing part is over. Now what I will do, I will apply some engine detailer polish, and before that I will clean this alternator area manually. तो अभी इसको वाटर जेट देके क्लीन कर दिया। अभी ये जो अल्टरनेटर एरिया है इसको मैनुअली मैंने सफ़ा कर, क्योंकि इसमें डायरेक्टली पानी देना ठीक नहीं है। Before applying the engine polish, dry this area. Now I will give some compressed air. Now with the help of compressed air, I will try to dry all the water traces. This is very important. Now I will prepare the engine dresser. This particular product I have bought from Amazon. This is specially formulated for engine dressing or engine polishing purpose, and this is in a concentrated form. You have to use it in 1:1 ratio. So one part will be your polish and one part will be your water. This is water based and it can be applied to anywhere. That is one advantage of this product. A little more dilution can be done. Okay, I have given to this part, so I will apply water to this part. To the bas. So I have made the dilution ratio. Now I will apply it to the engine. Apply all plastic areas. So the entire area has been covered with engine polish or engine dresser, and only the frontal areas you can wipe off with the help of a microfiber cloth. These are all silicone based polish, and this is specially formulated for plastic, rubber, anywhere you can use it. Metal without any hesitation. I will allow I will use some compressed air so that the inner areas where I cannot reach my hand, so I can use the polish which will penetrate inside through compressed air. Use some compressed air so that the polish penetrates inside properly. So finally the engine detailing part is over. I have done the engine bay detailing, and it's very easy. Even if you don't have a pressurized water, you can do it with the help of a garden hose. Also you can do without water also. I have examples of waterless engine detailing. You can watch my other videos as well. So the entire job is complete. You see, as if it looks like a new engine, as if it has been the car has just brought home from the showroom. If you find the video useful and if you think you can do this job, easily do it at home. And thank you very much and goodbye.